In this video, we are going to look at multiples of a number. So a multiple is a number that you find when you multiply that number by a positive integer. These are often referred to as numbers in its times table. So let's have a look at how we can find the first multiples of a number. So we're going to try finding the first three multiples of 5. So the first multiple of 5 will be 5 times 1, which is 5. The second multiple will be 5 times 2, which is 10. And the third multiple will be 5 times 3, which is 15. And if we wanted to carry on finding multiples of 5, we could keep going in this pattern. And you'll notice this is the 5 times table. And all of these numbers are multiples of 5. So here's one for you to have a go at. I'd like you to try and find the first 5 multiples of 8. Pause the video, have a go, and then when you're ready, press play. Okay, so the first 5 multiples of 8, we're going to start with 8 times 1, which is 8. And then we're going to do 8 times 2, which is 16. 8 times 3, which is 24. 8 times 4, which is 32. And then 8 times 5, which is 40. And these are the first 5 multiples of 8. Well done if you got that correct. So this time we're going to try and list the multiples of 4 between 30 and 50. So again, pause the video, have a go, and then we will talk about it together. So let's have a go at listing the multiples of 4. So I'm going to start by writing out my 4 times table, because this is going to help me identify which multiples of 4 I am looking for. So I'm going to keep going. Now I'm going to keep going until I get to a number that is at least 50. Okay, so I need to keep going until I get to a number that's 50. So I'm going to stop at 52. So you can see all I've done is I've written out the 4 times table. So I'm going up in 4s each time. So now I want to look at which numbers are between 30 and 50. So I can see that the first number between 30 and 50 is 32, and then 36, and then 40, then 44, and 48. All of the other numbers in my list are not between 30 and 50, so they are not relevant for this question. Okay, last question. I'd like you to see if you can identify which numbers in my list are multiples of 6. So again, pause your video, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're looking for numbers that are in the 6 times table. So first of all, I can see that 12 is equal to 2 times 6. So that is a multiple of 6. Next, I've spotted that 24 is equal to 4 times 6. So that is a multiple of 6. I've also got 30, which is 6 times 5. And then I've got 36, which is 6 times 6. So all of these numbers are in the 6 times table. So they are a multiple of 6. Well done if you got that correct. Thank you so much for watching. Keep tuned to see more videos like this.